one leg kickbacks, one leg at a time, 8 to 10 reps, however you feel comfortable doing it. We're going to make sure that our legs, our knees here, firmly planted in the ground, or on your mat, at home, wherever you are, in line with your hips, and your shoulders, in line with where your hands are, okay? 8 to 10 reps on each one. Make sure your back's straight, your neck's out long, okay? Knees there. There we go, there. Right. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the next exercise, star jumps. Who remembers star jumps? I remember star jumps. Do you remember star jumps? Here we go. Like on a playground when you were a kid. Okay, we're going to do 15 to 24 of these. Very specific, 24. You can do as many as you want until you've had enough. Okay, so we're going to just jump out, arms wide, legs wide, okay? There we go. Do it at your own pace. Slow it right down. Or you can go very quick if you want as well. Light on your feet. Out, in, land softly. Okay, so the next one here is going to be close grip wall push-ups. Very easy to do. You can make it as hard or as easy as you want. And we're going to start off just an arm's length away from the wall, right here, with your shoulders. You can make it as close, your hands as close together as possible. That will make it harder, like this. Little diamond there, you can do that. Or a little Gareth Bale if you want as well. There you go. Make that as close together as possible. We're going to be targeting his triceps, okay? What we're going to do, just lean in, make sure you're, and push back off like that, there you go. Lean in, and push back. As you can see, my heels are coming off the ground when I'm pushing in, and they're going straight when I push back. That's going to be targeting the triceps. Very, very easy to do. In 10 to 15 reps of these. If you want to make it even harder than this, I suggest that you do it in a press-up position with your hands as close together as possible. Really be targeting those triceps. Okay, so the final little exercise we're going to be doing here now with me, burpees, 2 sets of these, 10 to 15. Do as many as you want, as many as you feel like you can do. Go for it. Okay, so we're going to start off nice and tall in a standing position. Stand up, nice and tall. Jump up to squats. Drop on to press up. Back to squats. And up we go. Okay, so big one of them. We're going to do them 10 to 15 times. Okay, so here we go. You ready?